Hey friends, this is Wayne over at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Here's our new revised D300. This is like a 28-pound rotor, mid-70s Dodge 1-ton. So this is no mamby-pamby here. So pretty easy, you just put on your spindle. Of course you strip your spindle, nothing but the spindle. Your typical seal, bearing spacer, all important. This keeps your spacing. Off the shelf bearing, outer bearing, washer, nut, and cap. Beautiful. So here we go. We have the rotor installed on the spindle. This is a front mount leading, so the caliper's on the front. I'm kind of right-handed, so I've got it turned around. This is actually the driver's side spindle right here. So install your 2 bolts and your spacer and your lock nut. Go ahead and install them first, and then put your rotor on. Easy as pie. Then we're going to remove our 2 nuts and our 2 washers. And now we have our critical spacers. They are absolutely the right size. We have our caliper. Big old pin style caliper with a great big piston. Here's our pads installed. Pin screw through the plate, and outside pad, inside pad, real simple. Takes this 3/8 Allen, fits the pins. Pretty simple. So, shoot, it only takes a couple of minutes. So we've got our caliper assembly together with plate. Slide it on. Pull our bolts up. Install our nuts. Doggone it. You have a minute, a little bit of adjustment. One hole is larger than the other, just by like a drill size. And so we tighten these 2 bad boys down. Big old 1/2 inch grade 10 bolts, 3/8 heavy duty plate. Voila. So my friends, our disc brake kit is installed. Isn't that like the simplest thing that you've ever seen? Absolutely. I'm proud of this one. This one took a lot of work. This is the 2nd revision. There will be no more because, hell, it's impossible to make it simpler. And I'm all about the simple. Just keep it simple. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Mopar. Bye.